Have you ever shared a map with your team only to end up with multiple versions, editing conflicts, or constant questions like, which map should I use? Managing location-based projects this way can quickly become confusing. The solution is to use a single interactive map where everyone works together with the right level of access. Let me show you how you can do that in MAPOG. Start by opening your project in story.mapog.com and go to Create and Publish Maps. Once your map is ready, open the Share and Publish section. This is where you control who can access your map and how they can interact with it. First, choose the visibility of your map. If you select Public, anyone with the link can view it, making it ideal for presentations or showcasing projects. If you're working with an internal team, choose Private so only authorized members can access the map, keeping your project secure. To make the map easier for your team, turn on the Toolbox so users can draw, analyze, and interact with map data directly. Enable the attribute filters to quickly sort locations based on categories or other data. You can also enable keyword search, allowing team members to instantly find places instead of manually searching across the map. Next, improve the overall viewing experience by enabling useful map controls. The pitch view lets users explore the map from an angled perspective for better visualization. The map layer switcher makes it easy to switch between satellite and standard map views, while Play Walkthrough automatically guides users through map locations, making project reviews and presentations much more engaging. Finally, it's time to invite your team. Open the Access section, go to Add User, and then click Add Member, and enter the email addresses of everyone who will be working on the project. And select the roles, whether admin with full access of the map or other option for editor, contributor, or viewer role. Now select the members and assign roles based on each person's responsibility. Choose the editor role for members who need to create, edit, and manage map content. Select the viewer role for members who only need to review the map or specific assigned areas without making changes. Once you've assigned the appropriate roles, click Invite. Your team can now collaborate on the same interactive map while maintaining secure and organized access. And that's how you can share interactive maps. Need help? Reach us at support@mapog.com.